We end tonight with the clearest pictures yet of Neptune, the most distant planet in our solar system.
We're looking at Neptune's orbit, and it's not following Newton's laws. And this is odd.
Out in the vastness of space, beyond the reach of our sun's warm embrace, lies a world cloaked in mystery. A place where the winds howl at supersonic speeds, and the icy surface hides secrets that could challenge everything we know about our solar system. This is Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun, a world often overshadowed by its flashier siblings like Mars and Jupiter. But today, we're diving deep into the unknown, uncovering the hidden truths about this enigmatic giant. What if everything we've been told about Neptune isn't the full story? Stay with us as we explore the mysteries of Neptune, a planet that's far more than just a distant blue dot in the night sky. The story of Neptune begins in the middle of the 19th century, when the known solar system was beginning to expand. In 1846, Neptune was discovered by mathematical prediction instead of direct observation. Astronomers had noticed that something was interfering with Uranus's orbit, and through intricate calculations, they were able to pinpoint the location of this mysterious object, Neptune. This discovery was a scientific triumph, confirming that our understanding of gravity and planetary motion was on the right track. However, Neptune was always more unusual than typical. Though there are some significant distinctions, Neptune is a gas giant like Jupiter and Saturn. First of all, the methane in its atmosphere gives it an incredibly vivid blue color. Neptune's atmosphere, however, is a chaotic, constantly shifting landscape. In contrast to the serene, banded clouds of Jupiter or the stormy, ringed beauty of Saturn. When Voyager 2 passed by the Great Dark Spot in 1989, it was a storm the size of Earth that was raging across its surface before it vanished a few years later. Even so, Neptune continues to be one of our solar system's most enigmatic planets, despite all we've learned about this far-off place. What then do we understand about Neptune? First of all, circling at a distance of around 4.5 billion kilometers, it is the planet that is furthest from the Sun. Neptune is permanently dusk due to the sunlight being 900 times fainter at this distance than it is on Earth. Neptune is anything but tranquil, despite its placid exterior. Methane, which gives the planet its stunning bluish color, makes up the majority of the atmosphere of this planet, along with hydrogen and helium. A small, rocky core is encircled by a mantle of water, ammonia, and methane ices beneath the clouds. Because of this, Neptune has some of the lowest average temperatures in the solar system, at about 214 degrees Celsius. However, Neptune is defined by the wind more than by the cold. With peaks that may reach 2,100 km/h, the planet has the fastest winds in the solar system. That is almost twice the sound speed. Massive storms, like the previously described Great Dark Spot, which Voyager 2 initially observed, are driven by these winds. We still don't entirely understand what causes these winds, despite their amazing velocity. Might it be the quick rotation of the planet? Compared to most planets, Neptune rotates once every 16 hours. Or is there something out there that we're still not aware of? Something buried deep in Neptune's atmosphere? Let's explore the secrets that have astronomers fascinated about Neptune. Neptune's magnetic field is among its most mysterious features. Neptune's magnetic field is drastically out of balance, skewed at a 47-degree angle to the planet's rotation axis and offset from its center, in contrast to Earth's rather steady magnetic field. A hint that something strange is happening beneath Neptune's clouds is this anomalous magnetic field. The planet's interior structure may differ greatly from that of other gas giants, according to scientific speculation, with a less dense core or perhaps one made of unusual materials like diamond. You heard correctly, diamond. According to some scientists, the intense heat and pressure found deep under Neptune's mantle may be able to compress carbon atoms into diamond crystals, which would then fall in a sparkling storm upon the core. Though it's still just a theory, this diamond rain is just one of the many fascinating possibilities surrounding Neptune. The planet's thermal emission remains a further enigma. Neptune appears to have an internal heat source, since it emits more heat than it gets from the Sun. However, from where is this heat coming? Is it an accident of the planet's formation, or is there some continuous activity going on that we're not aware of yet? Then there are Neptune's rings and moons, each of which has a unique set of secrets. There are 14 moons known to exist around Neptune, but Triton is the most well-known and mysterious. One special moon in our solar system is Triton. Triton orbits Neptune in a retrograde orbit, the opposite way of most moons, which orbit their planets in the direction of the planet's rotation. This implies that Triton was probably drawn into Neptune's gravitational field long after the planet originated and was not initially a component of Neptune's system. Neptune's future exploration is set to reveal more about the planet and its moons, particularly Triton. Two proposed missions are Neptune Odyssey and Trident mission. The Odyssey mission will send a flagship-class orbiter and atmospheric probe to the Neptune-Triton system, utilizing a gravity assist from Jupiter. It will study Neptune's atmosphere, rings, auroras, and small moons, as well as conduct multiple flybys of Triton. The Trident mission, designed for 2025 or 2026, will map Triton's surface and study plumes. Both missions aim to understand Triton's geology, plume activity, and Neptune's atmosphere, providing valuable insights into the dynamics of ice giants and the potential for life in our solar system. Another mystery is the surface of Triton, which is speckled with geysers that send plumes of nitrogen gas into the thin atmosphere and covered with nitrogen ice. There may be an ocean beneath this frozen surface, suggesting the possibility of life in this frozen world. What will happen to Neptune next? Scientists continue to be fascinated by Neptune despite its distance from Earth. Our first up-close views of Neptune were provided by the 1989 Voyager 2 flyby, which also unveiled the Great Dark Spot and its tumultuous atmosphere. However, no spacecraft has been to the planet since. Thus, many of its mysteries remain unanswered. But with the development of telescope technology and the proposal of future missions, we are beginning to discover more about this far-off planet from Earth ourselves. Scientists intend to launch a dedicated expedition to Neptune in the upcoming years so that it can be studied in more depth in terms of its atmosphere, magnetic field, moons, and rings. Some of the most important mysteries concerning Neptune, such as what powers its strong winds, what's beneath its icy clouds, and whether Triton might support life, could be resolved by such a voyage. But in the interim, our only options for solving the Neptune dilemma will be computer models and observations from Earth. Neptune is not merely an icy behemoth at the periphery of our solar system. This planet is full of secrets, from its thin rings to its backward moon, Triton, from its turbulent magnetic field to its unusual core. All these enigmas call into question what we know about the solar system and encourage us to learn more. Neptune serves as a constant reminder that we still don't know a great much about our own cosmic backyard as we continue to push the limits of space travel. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that out there, in the cold, dark reaches of space, lies Neptune, a planet that's more than meets the eye. Will we one day uncover all its secrets? Only time will tell. Until then, let your curiosity guide you and never stop exploring. If you enjoyed this journey through Neptune's mysteries, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and keep looking up.